Hi Brian, this is Nagendiran from India, who has applied for Business Development Associate role for a mid-B. Let me explain about my current role and designations where I am working. I am currently working in TCS as an Information Technology Analyst. I started my career by 2015 in TCS, and before that I have been working for a small startup company from 2013 to 15, and later I have been moved to TCS. And from the point of joining through the TCS, I had a chance to learn the backend like PHP, MySQL, and all those technologies. And then I became a full stack developer. So during my development stage, I had a chance to meet up with clients where they might be needing some technical discussions, like from the creating epic stories to the user stories, deriving all the user points, PDs, derivations, and all those steps. And then later, in all the meetings and discussions, they need an analyst role where a person who needs to know the technical stuffs also. So then they had me a chance to do all the certifications like project management systems and all those things. And then I have done all my certifications because I've been very passionate about learning new things, actually new technologies. And then I have been moved to the technology analyst role. And then later, for all the leading clients like British Airways, Delta Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, even Air Canada. So I had a chance, TCS had a chance to meet up with different clients from different regions actually. For example, like Spain, Philippines, US, UK, Canada. At the time of discussions, in the discussions, in the meeting, in the forum, the clients may be from a different background, like technical, from the business perspective, and from the end user perspective. So depending on all those things, covering all the zones like end to end, we need to satisfy the customers first, because the clients are the one who is giving the business for us. So to make them satisfied is our first goal. So by giving the technical inputs, and even sometimes I'll be giving the creative ideas like it can be done in this way. For example, for the British Airways, we have given the analytics to include like Google Analytics. We had the Adobe one, which is a paid version, to determine or to check how many users has been logging in to the portal from different devices from the different zones. And from that, from the user's perspective, we can create the features and components without compromising the any stuffs as per the requirements to meet the competitors and all those things. And why I need to move to Canada? It's not like Canada, because Canada is one of the developing nations. The main thing I like about it is like a growing, gives an equal opportunity to the young people like me who have been very passionate about their career, and also is been giving like challenging roles at the young age. So that's the main thing, and that is why I have applied for this position. And even at this younger stage, I am like total of 6 years of experience. But though still people has been very like, even in the forums and meetings, my super managers and supervisors will always keeping on telling me like, you have been always proactive and you have been always passionate about learning the new things actually. So that makes me the proud, because at this early age I proud to say like I'm a technical person and also the non-technical person. When it comes to technical, I'm a full stack developer. So I've been very proud of that, because most of the sites have been developed from the scratches, and all the URLs and everything has been mentioned in the CV actually. So I hope you will have a chance to go through all those things actually. If any things you can get a clarifications, and I am happy to resolve all the queries. and regarding uh, the remit B, because I think like I would be an suitable candidate for that, because I have an experience both in the development side and also the customer facing side. Customer for us, it's like two way, like the end user and also the business. So end to end, we need to satisfy, and I had a experience in satisfying their requirements from the user point of view and also as well as the business. So sometimes the business clients will say us that is this possible to implement all those things and all those